So, have you ever wondered what has made Ferragamo the global icon it is today? Want to know how? Keep watching as I'm about to reveal the Salvatore Ferragamo story. Did you know the Ferragamo handbag, silk scarves and Signorina perfume are all iconic Ferragamo pieces that you've already seen on these screens? But there's more to it. They came from one man's obsession with shoes. Hi, I'm Sofia and welcome to Sofia Strolls Florence. I'm your Florence shopping bestie. On Sofia Strolls Florence, I take you through the city vibrant streets and stylish boutiques. If you like vintage fashion, street style and luxury fashion trends, come watch the magic of Florence through my eyes. In this video we explore the Ferragamo Museum in Palazzo Spina on Via dei Tornabuoni, Florence. Bellissimi e bellissime, andiamo! It's 1898 in a little village called Bonito, Italy. Salvatore Ferragamo is born into a family with 14 kids. Yep, 14. At just 9 years old, he made his first pair of shoes, a pair of high heels for his sister's confirmation. Can you imagine being 9 and already designing shoes? Guys, what were you doing at 9 years old? Fast forward a few years, and Salvatore's off to America. First stop, Boston, working in a cowboy boot factory. But cowboy boots weren't this thing. So he convinced his brothers to move to California. Why? Hollywood. He set up a little shop in Santa Barbara, fixing shoes and designing custom ones for movie stars. Now, Salvatore wasn't just about making pretty shoes. He wanted them to feel amazing too. He even studied anatomy at USC to figure out how to make shoes that were both stylish and comfy. In 1927, Salvatore moved back to Italy and set up a shop in Florence. Because where else would a style icon live? He started making shoes for big names like Marilyn Monroe and Eva Peron. Fun fact, his workshop grew so much that by the 1950s, 700 artisans were making 350 pairs of handmade shoes a day. One of his most famous designs? The rainbow platform sandal, made for Judy Garland in 1938. It was inspired by the song Over the Rainbow from The Wizard of Oz. He made it with cork and gold straps. Salvatore passed away in 1960, but his family kept the dream alive. This museum is dedicated to his work, because when your designs are that iconic, they belong in a museum. So, from a tiny Italian village to Hollywood and beyond, Salvatore Ferragamo turned his passion for shoes into a global empire. Today, Ferragamo is more than just shoes. It's a global fashion powerhouse, from luxury handbags to designer fashion. The brand still holds onto its Florentine heritage, with the Ferragamo Museum showcasing his most legendary designs. What do you think? Is Ferragamo's story the ultimate glow up? And here's the big question. If you could own one iconic Ferragamo piece, like a silk scarf, a pair of heels, or a perfume, what would it be? Let us know, and see you next time. Tanti bacini.